Hey wonderful beings, how are you today? Welcome to a new short daily reminder where we talk about life, psychology, and dive deep into ourselves, into healing ourselves. My name is Maja, I'm a writer, therapist, and spiritual teacher. In this short reminder, I want to share with you how to rebuild ourselves after being hurt. Hold space for your pain rather than avoiding it. It is understandable to want others to validate your pain, but don't wait for others to do so before you can validate your own pain. Finally, find time to take a break from it. It is not healthy for us to be engaged in it all the time. And don't spend too much time in isolation, in overthinking, and just reach out to others, professional or personal, for support. Step away from self-criticism and self-blame. Remember, their inability to treat you with respect does not reflect who you are and your value. You deserve better, and take the lessons, move forward, and don't remain stuck in one place. This means thinking about our present plus future whilst allowing the pain to enter when need be. See you tomorrow.